Stop by and take a look at the 2015 F-150. This vehicle is powered by a four-wheel drive. This vehicle has less than 50,000 miles. Here are some of this vehicle's great options: electronic stability control, brake assist, traction control, rear step bumper, remote keyless entry, fog lights, front wheel independent suspension, four-wheel disc brakes, speed control, ventilated front seats. Inside you'll find security system, low tire pressure warning, trip computer, power windows, power steering, tachometer, adjustable pedals, overhead console, panic alarm, tilt steering wheel. A Ford F-150 knows how to handle any situation. It's built to follow orders, no whining. Is love at first sight really possible? Let us know when you stop in.